The Samsung's upcoming mid-range smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, is closer to launch the global and Indian markets. Today, we spotted the Galaxy A55 5G smartphone in the Google Play console database with the SM A55 6E model number. The Google Play console listing obtained by the smartphone confirms the presence of an in-house Exynos chipset. The octa-core chipset features 4 Cortex A78 cores, 4 Cortex A55 cores, and an X-Clips 530 GPU. The Exynos chipset with the S5E8845 model number is believed to be the upcoming Exynos 1480 SoC. The inclusion of an AMD X-Clips GPU will be a significant upgrade over the Exynos 1380 SoC, which came with a Mali GPU and powered the Galaxy A54 5G smartphone. According to the listing, the chipset will be paired with up to 8GB of RAM and the smartphone will run Android 14 out of the box. The phone could come with a screen resolution of 2340 into 1080 pixels and a pixel density of 450 ppi. The renders revealed through the listing confirms the presence of a centered punch hole cutout to house the selfie camera. The power button and volume rockers will be present on the right side of the smartphone. It is also suggested that the Galaxy A55 5G will have a design akin to the vanilla Galaxy S23 smartphone. The individual triple camera rings can be seen on the rear of the device. The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is tipped to come with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The 32MP selfie snapper will be housed in the centered punch hole cutout. The triple rear camera setup could comprise a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 5-megapixel macro lens. The smartphone could be backed by a 5000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging support. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.